This video is how to make YouTube thumbnails in Premiere Pro. Make sure that you have your stuff. So I've just got a couple of things. So I have a video and then a Premiere Pro logo because I'm going to make the one for this video. But just kind of add them in and spread them on top of each other. So make sure your background, for instance, for me it would be this. It would be first and then it would be this Premiere Pro logo on top of it. So some of your stuff might look like this, and the reason why I have it like that is because I'm going to show you how to get rid of it. I use something else to get rid of the background. It could be different for you, so what I'm going to do is zoom out, but it's here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press on it and then go to opacity. So for you might need to use the pen tool to make a certain shape, like maybe a triangle, and then we got rectangle or square, and then we have the eclipse one, which is what I'm going to use. Do that, and then we zoom out, move it out all the way until it shows there. Okay, so I've presumed now that you've masked it. I did the best that I could. It actually does look pretty good. It might be quite wonky and stuff, you just got to move it around. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to zoom it out and then just move it to there. I'm going to move it into the bottom corner so then people know that I'm talking about Premiere Pro, even if it's in the title. Just there we go. And then we're going to add some text. If you press T and then press on the wherever you want it, I'm just going to make it how big it is, and then double tap on there as well to activate that text bit. If you press like the caps button, I'm going to type something like "it's so easy," and then if I triple tap it, that highlights the whole thing. I'm going to edit the text how I want, so you can copy me if you want to just by watching what I'm doing on here. So I like to make this blue, maybe there, just something like that. And tell me in the comments below, what thumbnail are you going to be making? Like, what is it going to be about? That kind of thing. And if you want to export it, just screenshot it and then you can just use it like that. Watch this video next, which is the top 5 best tips for Premiere Pro for editing for YouTube videos. Subscribe.